Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the pound dollar at the moment. So this is overextended. We've got this accumulation range back through here, this red candle. So I'll just mark that up as a point of interest. The other thing that we have on this chart is this thin candle here, where my vertical line is. If you have a look at the candle left high and the candle to the right low today, we can pull that through there and mark that up, call it a price gap on the daily. Market's looking for two things. One, it's looking for liquidity, and there's a ton of liquidity in the form of sell side liquidity under here, stop losses. Right, so we've got retail traders buying, bit of a retrace, they're all buying up, so we have a ton of liquidity under here. All right, and this imbalance, now the market's looking for liquidity one, so there it is, and it's looking to rebalance. Right, so I would say that it down here to close this gap. That's my take on this. By the way guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and join my free Telegram group. I've posted trade signals in there already today. Having a look at this on the daily, we've got these two markups. So let's just have a look at this now on a 4-hour chart. We'll go down, and I'm going to pull this red candle through here high to the low. Okay, so we've got this nested order block, more or less. 4H, bullish, okay, nested, this daily. That is what I'm interested in, this level right here. All right, now we've got this price gap on the daily. If we have a look at these candles over here on the left, this candle here where my vertical line is, pick up the high of the left candle on the left and the low of the candle on the right, we'll pull that through. So this is a 4-hour price gap, and I really think that the market will trade through these levels. I mean, I could be completely wrong, but I won't be buying at this current level. I'm interested in going long, but I think this is going to pull back. That's my opinion. If you have a look at the stock markets, you'll see that the stock markets are overextended. They look a little bit similar to this. There's definitely room. I mean, if you pull a Fibonacci, let's just take it from this 4H up. Well, there's a pullback down into the 61.8. If you go from the daily, that's the level that I'm really interested in right here. So I'm thinking we get something like that. I'd be inclined to wait for this to market. If it pulls back down in here, wait for the opportunity when you see it rotating down in here. So we've got a break of structure. We could mark that up on the 4H. Okay, break of structure bullish. There, BOS, buy. All right, okay, higher highs, higher lows, 4-hour time frame, and a 61.8 retrace is what I'm looking for. And I mean, the other thing you can do if you want to get a bit adventurous is set up, well, my buy zone is going to be down in through here. This is my buy zone. That'll do, and we'll mark that up as a buy zone. I think I've got that. Yep, buy zone. Something like that. Long position, let's just average it out in here. Go for broke with that. Have a look left and we'll go under these lows here. So my stop loss, yeah, it's a little bit generous. It's kind of taking it down through here. But, you know, you want to go to town with your TP. But the thing with this, I'm going to be looking for a 1-to-1 risk reward. And if I measure that, say, from my average out my buy zone here, 1-to-1 will take me, well, hang on, let's pull that to my stop loss down here. So there's 1-to-1. So my buy zone is here. That'd be TP1 here. And I'll be looking to take 2/3 of my position off around there. So that's T1, 70%, 65% of my position, 2/3. Stop loss down here, T1, and then 2/3 in the bag. We'll let the rest of it run, a third of your position, and follow it up with your stop loss. That's kind of the play I'd be looking for, something like that. If we get that, I'd be interested, and I think we will somehow. And I mean, could be wrong. Now, if this pushes off from here, bullish, and leaves me behind, so be it. As I say, the opportunity of a lifetime comes around every session, open and close in Forex on a daily basis. Hey guys, don't forget to join Telegram. The link is below. That's my take on the pound dollar. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.